holiday and I love salads. There's just something about eating fresh vegetables. And a tip for you, you get more energy when you eat your vegetables and your fruits raw as opposed to cooking them. So that makes salads not only delicious, but highly nutritious. So today we're going to make a salad made with some of my favorite ingredients. We're going to be making black bean and corn salad. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 1 can of black beans, 1 can of sweet corn kernels, 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, 1 large cucumber chopped, half of a green sweet pepper, and half of a red sweet pepper. If you have the yellow one, you can also use that to bring the additional color and texture. And half of an onion chopped. Now this is a white onion. To help remove that bite, we're going to soak it in a little bit of apple cider vinegar to remove that extra bite. But if you have red onion, you can use the red onion. And 4 leaves of lettuce, which I finely shredded. And an easy salad dressing to tie the whole thing together. Now to add all of our ingredients together. Now add all of our ingredients together and our amazing, highly nutritious salad is done. Now it's time to taste. It smells amazing. So I'll just go ahead and add some more. And top it off with our amazing, easy salad dressing. And then we'll taste. Now to taste, I want to get some of the cucumber or black beans, which are great sources of protein, tomato. Oh, I can just smell that salad dressing. Such a great summer salad. The tanginess from the lime juice in the salad dressing really takes it up a notch. If you need a salad for your barbecues, your parties, whatever occasion you have, I highly recommend this. Black bean and corn salad, now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this salad video, I want you to look over here and see some of my other salads. I want you to watch them all. Click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.